everybody? Bill with Cali Track Days. We're actually going to do a quick install of our new Two Brothers exhaust. I got home and it was on the porch, so super excited. This would be number 3 for the household. Today it's going on the baby Z125, so it's we're kind of excited to put some exhaust. It's a full system, so we're going to install this. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh yeah. And then we got our new Two Bros, new system. So stoked. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, we can do they have an O2 delete if we want. So we're removing the O2 sensor right now. So we take. It comes with an O2 sensor delete, so I'm wondering, actually the plug is right here. Screwdriver for that. So this system is super easy. I already prepped it out. 12mm socket. There's 3 bolts and the whole system comes off. Of course we're dealing with a single, so it should go a little bit quicker than the triple on the MT, which took us about 20 minutes to do. So this is bolt number 3. Out with the old. In with the new. We didn't do the before and after, but we knew before it's on like shit. So this side, quite fit. So the long bolt that comes out is being replaced with a short bolt. And the short bolt just goes on the other side, which is going to hold the header pipe on. This muffler looks so dope. So, just getting the back side on there. And 12mm again. So let's see, you'll need a 12mm socket. I grabbed a 12mm wrench just in case. So do we do the O2 or no? I say we take it off. All right, so I got the sensor out. Put the plug in. Big. All right, and let's see, I think we're taking this bolt out, which is a 10 millimeter. This is the, actually, no, it's gotta stay. So don't take the bracket off here on this side. Don't take that off. That holds the front. So we did take the front shroud off because it doesn't like the wheel chock, and that front shroud goes for that bolt. So don't take that one off. All right, so now the back bolt, this goes on here. So popping this off. This is going through there, and so sick. It looks mighty. Oh, look how cute this is. Wait, what? DB killer says no one. Let's see what goes there. So, this little finagling. Let's see. So the bracket mounts the longer peg, goes to the back, and then this is what the holder is going on. So the muffler bolt is on now. Little strength to pull this muffler up a little bit further to get on the bracket. But we are on 12 millimeters again. So we've got the two springs, which go from the muffler to the puller. Just tightening up the top bracket bolt to the foot peg. So we take out the pin style. So we take out the pin style, and then we're going to put in the bolt and the nut. Get those tightened up with the lock washer on the bottom. And that's it. Secure, secure. Get our logo on there. I think it's so sick. So, the moment of truth. What was that about? What time have we got? 20 minutes?
Yeah, 22.
All right, 22 minutes. So, we got our new Two Bros exhaust on the, and this is the, I don't know what series he gave us, but
does it say on the
carbon? It's the tarmac, but I think that's a different. I think he built this one custom for us. So I don't think this was supposed to be the tarmac because it's shows a different one. But anyways, let's get this thing fired up. So they give you this That's what 3 horsepower sounds like. 125. Actually, I think they're like 8, 9 horsepower or something like that. But Two Bros, thank you, Two Bros. Thank you so much. We appreciate everything they do for us. Make sure you visit them, twobrothersracing.com. Find them on Facebook. We'll also have a link here to take you guys there. They have they have slip-ons. They have full exhaust systems. We have a full system on the MT, full system now on the Z125. We have a slip-on the R6. So thank you, Two Bros. We appreciate everything you do for us.